Alright guys, we are live. March 27, 2026, fix 29.68. Pretty not good if you're on the bull side. We're officially out of the range, but who's to say that this doesn't just spike right back up? Something like this all day, and then we'll right back into the trading range of the week. Let's do a quick check of internals. Nvidia, everything's gapping down. Actually, Apple is the most steady. SPY is gapped down. Bitcoin is down. So let us trade what we see in front of us. Okay, and we're off. Is there a world where we just come up for the entire day, very choppingly slow? Yeah. So I'm open for it. We form pre-market low right here. Just doing the checklist for my reversal pattern in my mind, waiting in the 15 minutes. Technically we're not in a range, so is the reversal still valid? To be determined. It's definitely not a bull market, so I believe it's still valid. I think it still could be used for a scalp, so we'll take it as a scalp. Okay. 9:30. Here we go. Here we go. Technically we're on the downtrend, we're on a big downtrend, so I should be looking for the orb to the downside. Should be stage 4. So let's look like what is happening right now. We're going to form our 15-minute range, breaking these low of days. Oh no, we're not. Okay. Okay. We broke the range to the downside. Yep. Honestly, I'm trying to look to see if we have an orb set up for the downside. That's what looks very possible for us. I'm sure everyone is seeing that. There just doesn't seem to be any reversal. So if we don't have any big doji with great volume, we will not be taking it. So everything is going to be onto the downside. Everything. Yeah, even this doesn't look great. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can catch some downside action. Okay, if this is a big doji, we will be looking to see if we can take a reversal of it. Come on, big volume, big volume. Or it could just be a classic B shape. Covers all of it, and then we fade it. We have two reversals to take.
99% chance I'm going to wait for this first 15 minutes at least. At least first 15 minutes. Remember, if you trade with me, you trade DOD.
Nailed it.
Order mocked us. Don't make me trade knock you. I'd love to catch a big part of today's trend.
Yeah, we're just down.
Try to trade mock the haters with a nice 100-point trade.
a reversal candle. Good. Okay, noted. Volume is. Oh, come on. Push! Push! Push, push, push. No, it might not do it. Oh, it didn't do it. It's not a reversal candle just yet. It wanted to. Check market internals. No, it is not. It is not. Okay. Oh, and Nvidia is above VWAP. Great. Apple is at VWAP. SPY is under. Nvidia showing some strength. Doesn't really mean much for me, but
I like my reject up to 750. Your market high is really high. It's been 900. Actually, you can watch for reject up at 900 too. Alright. I'll watch it with you. Where's the previous day point? Yes, this whole area is just
okay. Trend is still down.
I don't why, but I have a trade if I kill it.
Apple is on the up, and Nvidia switched spots, so now Nvidia's at VWAP. Apple is back up. As for the pre-market screeners, BATL, oil, but all the inverse, all the inverse stocks are up, which means that we're very bearish. Bearish on the bearish on Rocket Lab, bearish on RGTI, bearish on the gold miners, inverse FANG, bearish on the gold miners, BMRN. Okay. Alright, back to checking here. Nvidia is below VWAP. Apple is not climbing. SPY is still weak, and of course we're looking at the Qs. They are weak.
Something intraday. Tradeify.co. Choose their daily payouts plan on the select account. Use code JDUN for 30% off.
Indecision. Yep, but we're just chopping where we had the most battle. So it's either gonna, get up to this zone here at 700 or come back down here to low of day. Okay, it's pretty empty up here. Nice chop zone right in the center. Okay, check market internals. Below VWAP. Still above and still below. Whew. That's getting smoked. Oh, coin's getting smoked. So chopping in the middle.
We're about to enter the exit the 50-minute range. Hello, I'm glad you're calling. We're about to exit the 50-minute range. The New York session of the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. I can't talk right now. Gotta go by. Don't call me. We're about to exit.
Volume sucks. We had no news pre-market, so we can.
No, not
We
allowed.
freed ourselves to take the next range. Let's see. Okay. This definitely looks like it wants to tag VWAP again. Only issue is, will we fade it? So we printed that one. So far we're not getting any good signals. So hopefully we get something. We're waiting.
On time, I don't watch basketball. I'm retired. Especially if Duke loses tonight. I'm really, really retired. Like, for sure. I'll turn into a baseball guy. Didn't ever think that would happen.
Okay, we're entering the next battle zone. So we have two right here, right?
I'm getting retired until next spring.
23,650 to 23,580. All of it's very badly.
Got to fail VWAP up here early, like 740, 750.
Yep, we do have VWAP. It has been a keep battle zone for entries. Of course, pre-market high. Where's that? Asia session.
The game today is finding the reject spot to continue this trend down.
So New York open right here. That 900, yeah. Pre-market high. This could be a world where we just trend up all day, but we have to wait for the right signals. Our three systems tail each other very nicely. So let's see if we can catch something. Okay, checking internals again. Nvidia is above VWAP. Regained Apple. Oh, it's catching a bid. Okay, and SPY is above VWAP now. How many points is this? This is 40. Okay. Apple is catching a bid. Nvidia is above VWAP. This looks a little pretty good. Market internals. The only thing is that the QQ is not lagging. So Nvidia, Apple's pretty strong. SPY is good too. It's not lagging, so I don't want to take this one just yet.
Oh boy.
Plus, it's the third candle as well.
Shout, wizard. No trades for me yet. Whenever we get an aggressive move like that pre-market, it's just gonna be a bit more patient. But, you know, for some of y'all, it can be a little tough sometimes.
Okay, check your market internals again. This looks like another SPY up. Oh, Apple very up. And Nvidia not really moving how I like it to. Like what we saw before, everything was going down, and QQQ actually gave us 2 minutes of entry. This looks like they're all moving together. So I think definitely in terms of risk reward, I said the wrong word. In terms of kind of where it'll hit first, I definitely think it'll tag 666 first before it kind of takes out the lows of this candle. At least from what Apple is saying, SPY. Nvidia is just chopping just above VWAP.
Live every single day. Yup. All you gotta do is hit that follow button.
No need to swing right now. We are on a downtrend. Looks like we're in stage 4. So if we go this way, guys, just straight sideways, staying within these parameters, it'll be a no trade Friday. candle at 1 bit, and we're in this, and we're still in range. Hey guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go eat something.
Still nothing.
Awesome. This looks great. This looks great. Yep, if we close strong here in the next 50 seconds, I am interested in a 2-bar. That'd be this. It has to close strong though. It has to close strong. Yes, good, good. 30 more seconds. Come on, don't wick. Don't wick. Don't wick. Don't wake, don't wake. Push it, push it. Yes.
What do we have?
We have an entry candle. That's what we have. Yes, yes. Perfect. Perfect candle. Perfect candle.
Alright, let's see if we get a pop back up to like point of control, pre-market low. So what I'll watch for. I'm not going to chase the setup to the downside.
Let's see here. We'll also not chase it to the downside.
Bishop's win. 2,700 on the day.
Yeah.
Yep, I'll watch this pre-market low area reject. In this area, likely stops above 625. So.
Okay, I'm just looking for anything
Like 50
funky
points
on the
risk.
1 minute in case it does something
In that case,
weird.
I'm gonna see a big trend move down to low a day.
Where's low of day? No, we're
And when you have more point risk, it means you typically need, especially if you're trading on fund accounts, to size down your overall contracts. So say that you're typically trading 3 micros. If you had 10
check market internals while we're waiting for this. Oh, downside. Okay, Apple is going to the downside, but still above VWAP, and spot is on the downside.
Not a huge difference in monetary risk.
I don't have any FOMO, but I'm missing this one. There was just no pullback setup, and I'm not trading that. But should I be though? Because we are technically outside the range, and we're going to the downside. So, in a way, technically, I should have adjusted my criteria. That's not the 2-bar scalp setup though. Let's go back to this setup. To the T.
Come on.
To the T.
Give us some sort of entry.
If this gives us a
Anywhere.
somewhere anywhere. If this gives us a doji green strong with more volume, trades over. I do not want to be a part of it. In fact, I'm going to be looking for the reversal manipulation down and back to the upside. So actually, I hope it does give us a big reversal, big doji with a lot of volume. That's how quickly my bias can flip with these things.
I'm willing to try this pre-market low area for a reject for shorts.
Obviously.
Break above that previous candle high, I'll stop out for a loss, and then my next watch would be like 7.
Pre-market lows right here. Yeah, this candle right here at 910.
But I am will. Go ahead.
Yeah, we just have no opportunity for an entry. It's 90 more seconds, guys. 90 more seconds.
It's not invalid. It's like 5:30.
Okay, 30 more seconds. If this pumps so much more volume with a big doji, yeah.
Me too.
Uh-oh. 15 more seconds. Can it pump so much more volume? I don't think so. Okay. It's a doji though.
Like the lead plays.
Uh-oh. That's a lot of volume. Okay. check the first minute. Let's check the internals. Nvidia is down. Apple is up. SPY is down. Checking internals.
The 2 bars valid here.
I think so. I agree, but not this one. This one.
How do I get rid of the sell signal thing here, Grizzly?
I don't know how J Dunn has this volume right here. Don't know how.
This candle. It's technically valid. I'd rather see pre-market low tested.
That's gonna be a lot of volume. I'm not sure. Still have my cells in place.
Could I try it with a really small size of?
I don't see it here on the MNQs. Let's check the QQQ though. Oh, it is valid. It is valid.
It would be, yep. I was pulling up my.
How about the?
I gotta move my cell so I can
Oh,
see
this is valid too. Why is my MNQ not?
Technically speaking, if you took a trade, if you took the shorts up here at 500, your stops would just have to be about like 533. I'd rather personally see a bigger retest up to pre-market low with how aggressive this market's been. But you can try shorts with stops at like 5.
Technically valid, but I'm okay to miss it. Right now we have disagreeing signs. Now Nvidia is catching the bid. Apple's still above VWAP. SPY is mirroring what we are seeing here in the MNQ. Smaller. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We have a significantly smaller body than the previous body at a lower volume, so either this was just very aggressive internally, or
it's not money's line.
We want to push up more.
3 minutes.
I still think I'd rather see 5. Let's test up to the point of control.
Oh, this looks like such a disagreement. This candle, 90 more seconds, definitely looks like it's gonna have greater transaction volume compared to this 955 candle.
Why is my computer frozen?
One more minute. I think it will have more volume than the 10 o'clock candle. So we're gonna look for a reversal. Wait extra 3 more candles, or wait for the next manipulation candle down. So technically, yeah, we can wait for this to come down. It rarely kind of comes up and then continues going up, at least in the range market. Right now, we're trying to get back to the range. Okay, yeah, reversal candle in. I can fade the next 3 candles to go back down, or I can wait for the manipulation down and go back up. So either one is okay with me. I will trade either, whichever one sets up first, or whichever one is more systematic. Okay, perfect, great. So if you're in shorts now, I would get out, because it either looks like it's going to trend up, chop sideways, or we're waiting for a manipulation down. Usually does not manipulate in this. for pre-market low. I'm gonna wait for the long setup.
If he did try the 2-bar setup up here, your stops just to be like 533.
Okay, waiting. I think this candle will chop sideways, and then maybe another one, and then the manipulation down. But let's wait and see. Okay, SPY is catching a bid. Apple's up. No, Apple's at VWAP. Yeah. Nvidia is catching a bid. Good. So on the way this candle is forming, we're looking to see we're looking to have very little transaction volume. So this is setting up. If we're still staying here, looks like we're gonna sweep down, and we'll look for longs, guys. Because then we don't have great risk reward to the downside, so we'll look for it in a reversal pattern.
If you want to put a little more risk, it's not invalid down here. I just would like to see a little more pullback. My broker's good now. Oh, what was going on there? It's weird. The reason some of y'all had lower volume is because you're on MNQ. I thought that was probably it. That's the reason why some of y'all have lower volume. Is because you're on MNQ. If you look at the two charts right next to each other on screen share, you can see NQ has higher volume and MNQ has lower volume on the next candle. I usually base my setups off NQ. NQ is daddy. Nas daddy. Yep. I likely will start a piece of shorts if we breach the 15-minute low aggressively. I'd like to see us move closer to 574. I'm not sure we get that. I take electrolytes every day. Oh, nice. G got his Apex payout. $3,000, baby.
Congrats.
Boy. What? What? Yeah, bro. Bro didn't realize he showed me his payout. He didn't realize he was offering to buy dinner tonight.
It's funny. Perfect. One. Looking for manipulation down for the upside. Yeah. More, another wick, and then I want to take it to the upside. Let's see this. Looks like gonna be a manipulation down. Choo-choo-choo. Just waiting for the reversal. Nvidia is still below VWAP. Not doing much. Apple, of course, still above VWAP. SPY is consolidating. Just down, 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 down. Okay, wait for a third candle, manipulate, and then we'll go for the longs.
Come on. Give us one more push up.
Interesting. Looks like it wants to set up for the original idea. This is the original idea, 586.
Come on. I'm starting a piece of micro shorts down here, guys. I'm going to treat this trade a little differently. I took a starter size down here, and I will add into pointing controller for market low. So I took a very, very, very small size down here. In case this 15-minute low is it, if you guys want to save for entry that we may not get to, you can wait for pre-market low, POC, and then I'll look at my stops like 600. Yep, shorts. That's all I've been looking at. I've not mentioned the word long one time. I did start my shorts up there, small size. I left room to add. I want to see it move down to like low a day.
That's a good chance. It's a good damn chance.
For me to take any trims, we're going to need to see a significant move down below like 470. It's going to have to be big. It's up like, we got up to almost 30 points. No interest in trimming till we break below like sub 470. None. No interest in trimming till we get much more of a move.
Yeah, lots of buying.
I'd like to see us go up to like pre-market high. Or pre-market high. I don't want to see that. Pre-market low.
Dang, that'd be funny. Okay, 10:15. Whew, nothing so far. This has to be the manipulation candle, otherwise if we're still sideways, there's going to be another manipulation, a second one. The longer we chop, we have two manipulations that
you know, because we got some enormous candle that would stop me at 600. I would still love to see point of control or pre-market low. My max risk on this if I add is going to be around like 12 to 1300 total for my live account.
this actually looks very good for some shorts, so I'm gonna just sell one here again. Yeah, 40, 80.
570, 560, 570 is the area I would like to add. If you haven't gotten in yet, that's the area that I personally really, really like. If we end up getting some aggressive move back to the upside, then I don't have any rejects until like 750, 800. Like it. Welcome to the party. I like up here up to like 570 for ad areas too.
We slow grind up. Let's check the internals. Okay, we are sideways below V1. Elbows chopping. Oh, Spy's catching a strong bid. Spy is catching a strong bid. How does that look here? Okay.
Join me at 600. Come on. 600. Join me at 600. Come on. This is the area I liked all morning up here for a retest.
Spy is catching a bid. Still okay with where I'd like to position this. One confirmation, two confirmation. If we still haven't manipulated, which looks very likely. This candle somehow closes strong with more volume. I will not be interested in taking this trade.
I have my emergency stops in at 600. That said, I want to see move below like 470. I'd like to see a low a day, as a matter of fact. Get a lot of the downside.
Video is chopping. Bull is still going up. Spy is going up. Let's see. Okay, third candle. This is the candle. fade. Don't fade. Still not at the level I'd like. Because I will be waiting for a long entry after it tags low of day. Okay, yeah, SPY is rejecting off VWAP. Apple is the same. Nvidia is on the downtrend. Nope, 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 nope. Huh. It could be a no trade Friday. I don't mind. I want a big move. I want a big move. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 15. This is minute 20. If it does stop, come here. I need to wait for a second manipulation. Down, I just can't take the first one, so I'll wait for the second. Chop, chop. Me too. Just need to see 2 manipulations. 2. Chop City, Chop City. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we need 2 manipulations before we take this reversal. 2 manipulations. Volume is good actually for the 2 bar. Hang on, I'm being short-sighted. Let's the 2 bar. I'm being short-sighted. don't think it's 61.8, but I just want to be sure.
Let's go, baby. So I'm token and big. We want low day. We want the big winner here. I want the big old
Nope.
back shot.
Ah,
Oh,
damn it. Nope. It didn't look like it. Didn't look like it.
push it down, baby. Downwards dog is yoga time.
Downwards dog.
It's yoga time. I want downwards dog to the max.
Okay, 2 more manipulations down before we see a bigger pop up. That sucks.
Let this trade go red, anyone? I repeat, do not let this trade go red.
This idea.
I swear to you, I will hold these runners to low a day. And further. Yup. Yup, yes sir. Give us mucho downtrend, baby. Ever. I'm running back. You guys, I'm gonna give away 3 Apex accounts to someone who posts their games. I'm gonna give away 3 different accounts, 1 to each person. 50K trade debate end of day account. All you do is post your games, tag Grizzly, tag me. Say something nice if you feel inclined to. Wait till this trade's over as well. We're not gonna do the giveaway for a little bit. We still got the trade to work out. Nobody let this trade go red. Don't you dare let this trade go red.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, if by 10:35 we don't have 2 more manipulations down. Yeah, no setups today. No setups in the first hour and 15. We're still waiting, guys.
Guy, give us low a day. I want the big move here. The big cojones. I want the big one today. Shorts. 2 ads. 530 area and then 40s. He hates you. Gene's plotting against us, guys. Gene's plotting against us. Come on, blow a day, baby.
Oh man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we need 2 manipulations now. Reversal.
Post your
Uh,
games. Send it to the Discord. Chat.
I'm okay with no trades. We don't have any news today. Great. Let's check market context. Volume sucks. So, Nvidia a little bit lower, but actually it broke its prior lows, whereas the QQQ did not. So this technically is the first bounce. Apple, it actually at VWAP bouncing. SPY is imitating the Qs, or is it the other way around?
Games. Alright, guys. No reason anyone should let this train go red. Do not let this train go red. Come on, push it down, baby.
With again.
Oh, it's downstairs again. I was playing with my kid. He thinks it's funny. Alright, y'all, we'll wait for this train to play out. Everyone should be green on that train. Talk to me in chat. You guys stay playing with music loud. Jay Dunsky. Type how much we're making on Friday in the chat. Let's get some good vibes going. POD time. Sure, stop yourself. We do that. Let's get it. How much we making on a Friday, baby? Talk to me. Talk to me, team. How much you guys make on that trade? 125, 250, 200, 300, 750, 270. DOE 470, 450, 358. 490, got no bucks. Multiplies 300, 670, 750, 800. Let's go! Let's go, money team.
40 seconds. Ah, man, 2 manipulation candles.
Others just crank to the downside. Not asking for much. Come on, push this down. Donna. Got my price target in the 70s. I wanted to see ideally perfect price target was below 400.
Ooh, not even a manipulation down. I'm okay with no trade today. Just sitting.
Jadon scams people on this live stream. Jadon gives out all these trades for free live and makes us all money, but he's a scammer. He's a scammer. But shut your bitch ass up. My name's BRB, and I will make sure I go to a free live stream on YouTube and make sure everyone knows Jadon is a scammer after he makes all of us money today.
God damn, bro.
I missed this one.
He won't respond to that, though.
Just at 50%.
This is my favorite part of the stream.
The scammer. Yeah, no trade Fridays. There's just no setup. I'll just keep watching, but it's very unlikely for me. SNDK.
You guys
Oh.
like the mouse comp?
No trade, no trade, no trade. This wasn't the formation I like, so I didn't take the trade. No FOMO. It's not in the system. Not even in the system. Technician out here in these NQ, this NQ world. Same gonna say in the NQ streets. Okay, we'll just fill out our sheet.
Come on, push it down, low a day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Taking off a few more contracts down here. Oh yeah. More contracts off the rest for low a day. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, you're good. I'm just getting stupid. Low a day here. It's coming.
Okay, hang on. We passed it. Alright, Nvidia's pumping down. Apple. Oh, Apple. Apple is getting nuked. SPY still didn't hit the low of day. That's one.
I took more off down here, but I moved my stops down now to
It still didn't even tag it. That's insane. Nvidia is nuked. Apple is getting nuked.
Where the haters go.
Apple and QQQ still pretty resilient. It's not.
I'm sitting for him.
35 more seconds. Come on, manipulate. Go. Go. No.
Like, gosh damn.
I will not count that.
Jay Dunn, I'm grumpy because all I'm good at in life is playing card games and hate.
We'll just wait 5 more minutes and see where that takes us, but otherwise,
I'm good for. I have no sort of ambition to make money trading because I didn't have what it took to be disciplined. So I'm gonna come, you bitch, in line and complain in your life. And I'm ugly, which is not a good thing.
That's what they look like. Oh man, life is good.
81, 20, 20 points.
I'm grumpy and toxic. I'm gonna push everyone
Let's check.
build myself up and I have green skin.
Okay, sideways. Nvidia. It's coming up. SPY's coming up. It's a tough one. Very tough one.
What a good day. What a good day. And we're going lower. Well, I told y'all, hope for the big one. Nothing like getting the big one on a Friday. That was a straight face.
So I've entered here for the shorts. Let's see.
Gargantuan on a Friday. Gargantuan trade. Nothing like it. Oh man, let's go.
I can't take this 2 bar 10.
I told you we were getting a big one today. I said keep your small one to yourself. We're getting a big one. What a great way to end the week. Just great.
Okay, Apple is printing to the downside. Nvidia.
What's running back? Talk to me, big monkey. I told y'all we got the big one on Friday, baby. 600, 280, 600. Who made money with me? 280, 336, 1600, 1365, 300, 700, 15,000, 1100. Big ones on Fridays, baby. Come on. 288, 597, 373, 400, 700, 600, 1500. Let's go. 500 past the count. We're still moving. I told y'all. Give me a big one on Friday, baby. That's all we're settling for. Let's get it. I'm still holding this. I'm still in. I'm done playing with these markets. Okay. We've had fun. Looks like we're getting a big one. We did. And we did. Gene, you wanna come say hi? Everyone be nice to Gene. Are you? Alright, bro. Nice job today. See you, bro. Bye. Adios.
50 more seconds. Just want to see this close before we leave, but otherwise, likely no trade for me.
What are you guys doing?
I had a potential scalp idea 1040, but nah, no.
I don't have no codes.
Yeah, where the code's at?
I'm not watching the market, honestly. I'm not trading.
No trade. Yeah, nothing for me. Doesn't fit any of my systems. Okay, alright, we're gonna just lock ourselves out. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Unfortunately, not in R3 systems. This is in this environment where it fits my systems. So because of that, since we've been pretty much flat for the last 45 minutes, that's what we do. We just sit and watch and react. So thank you for tuning in. Don't let today ruin tomorrow. Don't let this week ruin the month. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.